Kambi moro mowuok e piny China yango ni osingo maromo shillings bilion 100 ne loso mbolea e alwora ma Olkaria Naivasha. Winjruogno oriwo kembe mag Ksh80B gi Kengen ma yangore ni biro nyuolo moyo gunia milion 9 mar mbolea higa ka higa. Ma oyangi e kinde limbe mar jatend piny Kenya William Ruto Olkaria, kama wache nengo mar omo mbolea kawuok e pinje maoko osedhi malo kendo oseo siling bilion 80. Ruto yango ni e higa mar 2023 sirikal ne otiyo kod omenda maromo siling bilion 80 e omo mbolea oko ka bilion 60 ema osetigo higani e omo metric ton 443.
Give a hand of applause to His Excellency, the green fertilizer plant.
The project, Your Excellency, that you've come to launch this morning is part of your transformative agenda. It fits squarely within your transformation agenda for this country. Your Excellency is also a testament to the fact that green energy can not only power our industries and homes, but can also help us make advancements in the field of agriculture.
It is significant because for the first time in the African soil, fertilizer will be produced from ammonia that is coming from green energy. This event is significant because it speaks to the heart of our nation, and that is farming. And I speak so passionately as a farmer myself that we will now have fertilizer that is not imported. For record, we spend close to 80 billion shillings every year to import fertilizer to Kenya. This plant will now generate fertilizer from our own geothermal resources, using local products, using local raw materials, local energy, local human capital, and 480 metric tons is close to 9.2 million 50-kilogram bags of fertilizer.